Good morning children. How are you all? Hope you all are fine. So children, we have completed the lesson. Now we are going to do the last part of this lesson, that is letter writing. Yesterday we have completed the question answers. I hope you all have written all of you neatly in your classwork books. And today we are going to do letter writing. How to write a letter to your friend, that we are going to learn today. Okay children? So first some format. I will tell you about the format, how to write a letter to your friend. After that we will do the letter given in the book. First of all, whenever you are writing a letter, see that there is a margin over here, there is a margin over here. Suppose you think this is margin and this is the margin. Both margins are there. You will write the letter in between. First part is sender's address. Here you will write sender's address. Sender's address. First part you will write sender's address. Here that means you are going to send the letter to your friend. You will write your address over here. You will write your address over here. After writing the address, leave one line. Leave one line and write the date. Write the date. Okay? Date in English, like how I have written the date here, like this. You should not write the date in this way. In the letter format, the way you write the address is 21. Then write the month's name, August 2020. This is the way you write the address. This is the way you write the date in English. Okay, don't write the date this way. Write the date this way. After that, this is an informal letter. So you don't have to write the subject over here. When we write for leave application or anything, we write the subject and we write why we are writing a letter. But now, in this letter, you are writing a letter to your friend. You are writing a letter to your friend. So no need, after one line, write dear, whatever your friend's name is, you start with that. And then you will write the letter, whatever you want to write, you will write over here. And last, you will write, after completing this side, yours lovingly. Yours lovingly, and then you will write your name. Your name. This is the format of your letter. This is the format of your letter. First you write your address, then date, then write dear and write the whole letter, then write yours lovingly and write your name. Everything should be on this side. Don't write anything on this side. All on this side only it will come. Dear also, address also, date also, and yours lovingly also, this same side you will write. You will not write on this side. This is the format of your letter. This is the format of your letter. Now open your books. Let us do the letter of what is given in your book. In your book, you are given some words. First we will see those words and then we will write the letter. All will take out page number 54 of your semester books. Take out page number 54 of your semester books. See, the words given are friend. What is a friend? Friend is your dost, aapka friend. Then the word is new. What is the meaning of new? New means naya. New means naya. With the help of these words, you have to complete the letter in your book. Then needed. What is the meaning of needed? Needed means chahiye. Needed means chahiye. Then happy. What is the meaning of happy? Happy, khush. Happy is khush. Then poha. I hope you all know poha, flattened rice. Home is your house where you live in. Palace, महल, राजा जहाँ रहता है, that is a palace. Then wife, पत्नी. You all know what is a wife. Now with the help of these words, we are going to complete the sentences. So first the letter started with dear. What is the friend's name here? Dear Krishna. Sudama is writing letter to Krishna. What is he writing? Let us see. I felt very dash after meeting you. After meeting, how did Sudama feel? See the words. I felt very happy. So first blank, write happy. In the first blank, write happy. I felt very happy after seeing you. I felt very happy after seeing you. I felt, how did he feel? Very happy after seeing you. Then meeting you. I am glad that you ate the dash. What did he take? What did Sudama take for Krishna? He took poha. So I am glad matlab I am very happy that you ate the dash. In the second dash what will come? Poha. What is the spelling of poha? P-O-H-A, poha. I understood. Poha, which I took for you, which Sudama bought. Sudama is writing this letter. So I am glad you ate the poha which I took for you. After coming dash, I was surprised. After coming where? Where Sudama came back where? And he saw, and what did he see and became surprised? After coming home. I was surprised. So third dash, what it will come? Home. And what is the spelling of home? H-O-M-E, home. Home. What did Sudama see and get surprised? He saw his home. What has the home become into? Small house has become into a palace. Then I was surprised. You changed my home into a dash. My home was small. What did Krishna change the home into? Into a palace. So you change the home into a palace. What is the spelling of palace? P-A-L-A-C-E, palace. P-A-L-A-C-E, palace. You change the home into a palace. I saw that my dash and children were wearing dash clothes. My children and who else were wearing new clothes? Children and wife. So fifth dash, what you will write? Wife. W-I-F-E, wife. Wife and children were wearing dash clothes. What clothes were they wearing? They were wearing new clothes. Children and wife were wearing new. What is the spelling of new? N-E-W, new. Wife and children were wearing new clothes. You have helped me when dash. When did Krishna help Sudama? At the time of need. You have helped me when I needed. At the time of need, he helped. At the time of जब जरूरत थी तब उसने help किया. So seventh dash, right? Needed. N-E-E-D-E-D, needed. double-E, D-E-D, needed. I am lucky to have a dash like you. I am lucky, मैं किस्मत वाला हूँ. To have a dash like you, to have a friend like you. To have a friend like you. So, 8th dash, friend. F-R-I-E-N-D, friend. F-R-I-E-N-D, friend. I am lucky to have a friend like you. I am lucky to have a friend like you. Thank you, my dear friend. And what did I say? Last, where you will write yours lovingly, Sudama. Yours lovingly, Sudama. So I hope you understood the letter. I will read the whole letter once again. So children, if you have not completed it, complete it very fast. Okay? First, keep your fingers on where I am reading. Dear Krishna, I felt very dash after meeting you. I felt very happy after meeting you. Right? First, happy. Then, I am glad that you ate the dash which I took for you. I am glad that you ate the poha which I took for you. After coming dash, I was surprised. After coming home, I was surprised. And I was surprised you have changed my home into a dash. You have changed my home into a palace. Then I saw that my dash and children were wearing dash clothes. I saw that my wife and children were wearing new clothes. You have helped me when I needed. You have helped me when I needed. I am lucky to have a friend like you. I am happy to have a friend like you. Thank you, my dear friend. Yours lovingly, Sudama. So children, with this we have completed the whole lesson. So in letter writing, remember one thing, that you will write the letter left hand side, we will write all the things. Left hand side, sender's address, that is your address, you will write. Then you will write the date. Then you will write dear, whatever your friend's name. Then you will write the whole letter. Then you will write yours lovingly. Then you will write your name. This is how you are going to write the letter. I hope you all understood how to write a letter. So go through this letter, write this letter, complete this in your book, and after that you can write a letter to your friend with 2 lines. I will give you with more examples how to write the letter. Okay children? So practice writing, read the letter yourself, practice writing the letter, read this letter, see the words, understand the words, then only you fill the words and complete the letter. Okay children? Okay. Now today take care, be happy and bye. God bless you all.